Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about that today's contest problem like range or. Okay, so in this problem, you have to be performed like you have to find bitwise or from the value 1 to n, from the value 1 to n. Okay, so how you can solve it? How you can solve it? Like n, you have to be given n is equal to 5, n is equal to 5. So that first basic intuition like comes on our mind is brute force approach. We can see that this approach is brute force approach. Like we have run a loop like for loop or either while loop, whatever you want. Okay, like should be 1 2 till and like 5. Okay, and each and every time you have to be get the bitwise from or and store into this variable key. Okay, and you will simply return your value key. I hope you all understood very well, but these approach have a time complexity is order of order of n, order of n. Okay, and their space complexity, you know very well that the space complexity is order of 1. So this approach will not work right now here in this contest. Why? Because this approach will give you the time limit exceed. Means uh, you have to be solved in a constant manner. Your time complexity should be order of 1, means constant time required during this contest. Okay, so what you will do, like you have a given a number 5, you have given a number 5. Okay, and their binary representation is 101. Okay, so how you can get the bitwise or? So if you know very well that the bitwise or of these value of this 5 getting like 111. Okay, so this is your bitwise or of your resultant bitwise or till 1 to n. I hope you all understood very well. Now, like another example is that if you have n is equal to 8, something you have to be given n is equal to 8. So their binary representation is 1 and 1 triple 0. Okay, and if you want to be get bitwise or uh, till 1 to 8, till 1 to 8, so what you will get 1111. I hope you all understood very well that logic behind this. You have to be simply these all the unset bit into this binary representation should be should be set bit. Okay, so 1111, so all are the bit should be set, all are the bits should be set. Okay, so how you can do this from unset bit to set bit. Okay, so basically you have a given like 101. Firstly you have to be I am solving like value of for the 5. This is your representation of 5. Okay, so you have to be bit 0, you have to be bit 0 to toggle like 1. Okay, so you have to be the final value is 111. I hope you all are understood very well. So how you can solve it? How you can solve it? You know very well that this is your rightmost bit, and firstly you will count how many bit are available in there, like 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 bit available in this for to this representing the value 5. Okay, so you will simply store the value L. Store the value L will be 1, and rightmost bit means of that what is the last value, what is the how many bits should is representing to the 5, like 3. So 3 is your uh, rightmost is your right bits means of that how much bit is representing to the 5, the value of 5. Okay, I hope you all understood very well. So what you will do, you will simply you will simply write you will simply left shift the L times left shift the L times left shift the L times by the -1. This is the formula, if you can consider like this. Okay, means of that right now here the one should be left shift in zeroth time. Because of that 1 minus 1 is 0, so zeroth time left shift the value 1, means of that if you can represent like 2 to the power 0, so zeroth time should be left shift. Okay, so this is our value by this from this here. Okay, now we will simply subtract these resultant value by -1. I hope you all are understood very well. So 1 minus 1 you will simply getting 0 from here. Okay, this is the formula. You have to be set the all the value from this given range. Okay, now again, and we have to be again the left shift the rth time, means of that how many bit is available into this representing the value 5. Okay, I hope you all understood very well. So means of that, and now we will subtract the value by 1. I hope you all understood very well. So like that you have to be 1 left shift by 3 time threeth time, and when you will binary representation of this value 1 uh, 3th time, like 1 0 0 0. Okay, like 1 2 3. So 1 is yours shifting the 3rd time, -1 -1 means of that 8 minus 1. This just like that this value is representing 8, and 8 minus 1 is representing like 7. Okay, and 7 will be representing like 111 111. Okay, now what you will do, you will simply perform the bitwise XOR operation in here. I hope you all are understood very well. Like from this resultant, you will simply getting 0. You will simply getting 0. And from these representing, you will simply getting 111. So bitwise XOR operation will be 1 1 1 and bitwise XOR is 0 0 0. So you know very well that bitwise operation what you will doing. 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, now this is your resultant value. You will simply store in the value key. Okay, now what you will do, you will simply bitwise OR operation by the value of the k with the value of n. Why? Because of that, you know very well that your value, your second value is 0. So you have to be set this value. So your value should be 1 1 1 should be changed by the value 101 by the help of OR operation. Okay, so you know very well that 1 and 1 should be 1 101 and 111. So this is your resultant value of the bitwise OR. Okay, so now we will discuss about like a second problem. If you have given n value is 8, the 8 is representing simply 1000 in the bitwise form. Okay, so what you will do, you will simply 1 you will simply 1 left shift by the lth time. Now you will simply count that how many bit is present here. 1 2 3 4. So there are 4 bit. So leftmost bit should be 1 and rightmost bit should be 4. Okay, so 1 minus 1, because of that L. Now here L is equal to 1. You know very well that 1 minus 1 is representing 0. So 1 will be left shifting by 0th time. Okay, 0th time means of that 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 means 1. And subtract this value by the value 1. So you will simply getting this value 0. Okay, now again you will perform this operation like bit left shift by earth time means of that fourth time like 1 0 0 0 0. So 1 2 3 4. Sorry for my mistake. Like yeah, so this is the fourth time. Like this is 0th time, this is 1th time, this is 2nd time, this is 3rd time, and this is 4th time. I hope you all understood very well. So this is a binary representation of your rth time uh, left shifting the value of 1. I hope you all understood very well. Okay, now what you will do, you will simply subtract this value by 1, this value by 1. So what you will do, what you will get, you will simply get 1 1 1 1. Okay, now again these value and these value perform the bitwise OR. I hope you all understood very well. Perform the bitwise operation like 0 0 0 0. If you will perform the bitwise operation like 101 101 101 101. Okay, so now this final value will be stored into the value of k, and we have to perform the OR operation by the value of n. So here the value of n is the value of n is 8, and 8 is representing that 1000, and 1000, when 1000 1000 will be bitwise OR from the value of k. So you will simply getting all the value set, all the value of set, and this is our resultant value of bitwise OR. This is our resultant value of bitwise OR. I hope you all understood this logic. Now move over to the solution. Okay, so you have to be simply getting how many number of bit, how many number of bit is available into this value of n. Okay, so you will simply count how many bit is available. So, and you have to be simply return that your set bit function. Set bit function is simply nothing like this. This is a ls l means of that 1. Because of that, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and you have to be simply perform this operation by the bitwise OR, and return there n with OR operation by the value of k. Okay, and this is working fine. You can check also here. This is absolutely working fine. You can same code, you can do this into Java. So this is nothing like change. You can simply attempt here. If you have any doubt, so please comment on my channel. Please like my video. Please subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for your important time giving to me. And keep coding, keep practicing. Okay, thank you.